What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will show you how to connect Klarna on Shopify. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So first of all, go to your settings, and under settings, go to payments and click choose a provider. And as you can see, Klarna is not currently available on a third-party payment providers on Shopify. Even if you go to Klarna website, there's no Shopify option on that. So what you can do is to go back to your payment and just scroll down and until you find manual payment methods, and that's how you're going to pay with your Klarna. And you will need to provide your custom payment method name, just make it Klarna. And for additional details, you will need to provide all of your Klarna details, your email or your mobile numbers that you use in your account. And for payment instruction, just add custom URL Klarna for payment. So you will need to provide a URL of your Klarna, and the payment will directly goes to your Klarna account. And that's it. After that, you go back to your payment methods. As you can see, you will see the Klarna right there. And the Shopify itself will do the job and will add your payment. And if you want to buy something, just choose your manual payment method, and that's it. That's how you're going to do it. The Shopify will do the rest unless as long as you provide the right information of your Klarna account. And that's it. That's how you're going to do it. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.